Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make rope physics on scratch. I'm gonna show you how it works. It's like a rope, and now let's make it. So let's start. Let's create a sprite. So I'm just gonna simply create a small dot. So now this dot should go with my mouse. So just keep a forever block, then go to mouse pointer and also keep a green flag option. So it will always follow your mouse. Now duplicate this. Now delete this block. Then we don't want it to show, so we'll also keep a set ghost effect to 100, so we will not be able to see it. Also for the other one I wanted the first sprite. Keep it there. Now I'll delete this from here. Okay. So now I'll keep a change X and a change Y. Then I'm gonna keep a divide block and a minus block here. I will keep 5 here. Then drag X here, and then you take this one, put it here, into sprite 1 X. So duplicate the same thing, and before you put it over there, just take one plus sign and put it there. Take this whole thing and put it there. Here also I'll keep it 5 for the gravity. So what this will do is, okay, it's not showing, so let's keep it like that. So what it will do is, mistake is that I need to switch this to Y, and this also should be Y. Okay, now it will work. So it will make it go next to the other one. There's again a mistake. There's another mistake. What can it be? Yeah, the gravity should be minus 1.5. Now it works. Should be like that. Now to make the rope longer, okay, first I'll put this thing back there. Now I'll duplicate this. The thing you need to change is that you have to turn this to sprite 2. Now just duplicate it and just change it like that. So I'll do it 6 times like that. Okay, so now let's paint one more sprite. It should again be a dot. So this will make the line. Okay, so let's take an extension. Just take pen. Then I'll just take a forever block. Then a green flag option. Then just go to the motion, then take a go to block. First it should go to sprite 1, then it should go to sprite 2, then sprite 3, should go on like that. Sprite 4, sprite 5, and sprite 6. Now we'll set pen down here and pen up here and an erase block here. And I'll also set the pen color to blue. Now let's see how it works. Okay, there's a small mistake. It should not come like that. It's like a double rope. So there's one more stuff. I need to add a set. Should not show, so it should be like set the ghost effect to 100. Okay, so the problem might be that I'll keep this there. Okay, now it's up. Well, again, there's a little problem. So let's see what that is. So let me see what the problem is. That's right. This is also right. Then this, wait a sec. Okay, that's also right. And this is also right. Yes. That I should change this to Y. That is the problem. Change everything to Y. Okay, now it will work properly. There. It's working properly. I'll make this a little thick. So I'll just simply add a set pen size block. I'll keep it like 30. Let me see how much is that. Oh, that's too big. I'll keep maybe 10. 10 might be enough. Yeah, 10 is enough. And that's it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe.